Hey there my retro dolls, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be hanging out with you guys. I know my last video was pretty risque. It was the Adore Me haul and try on. If you guys haven't watched that, go ahead and click it up there in the cards and then it'll be a link down in the description below. I just did like this $500 haul of Adore Me, which is like bra and underwear, lingerie, robes, all of those things. So go watch it. Highly recommend it. I've been asked a lot where I get my bras and underwear and things like that, and that is one of the places. So anyways, moving on to what today's video is all about. Today, oh my god, I am so freaking excited because I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but holidays and life and all of those things kind of pushed it past Christmas. But we're gonna, you know, reminisce a little bit about 2017 Christmas because why the fuck not? So recently my friend Amanda Marie created her YouTube channel and she came up with this great idea to do a style swap. So it's me, Amanda, and then Amanda Allison. You guys know her, I'm fashionably late, always hanging out with her. You guys know what's up. Anyway, so the three of us decided we were gonna do a style swap. So Amanda Marie is gonna be styling me, I style Amanda Allison, and then they style, or Amanda styles Amanda. You get it. It's just like a circle of styling. The cool thing is though that like all of us were basically the same size, but we have different proportions and different styles and things like that. So I thought that it was like the perfect situation for like us to try different styles on ourselves and also kind of cool to dress them. I'm actually like really excited to see how everything turns out. I'm excited to see what happens with Amanda and Amanda because I mean, I'm not gonna brag, but I think I did pretty damn good with my $50 limit. So anyways, if you guys are interested on seeing what they look like and how their styling came out, then go ahead and click up in the cards and down in the description there will be a link to both of their channels and both of the videos that they're gonna be posting because we're all posting on the same day. So once you see this, you can see them. So anyways, let's get into what I got. First of all, I have no idea what's in this. All I know is that Amanda Marie is the one that is gonna be styling me, and obviously it's from Target, so I'm pretty fucking excited about that because at CurvyCon they were showing their new designs for the fall of 2017, so I'm like, all of it was so cute. Yeah, I see something fluffy, I'm excited. This is not fluffy, but it is gorgeous. Oh my god. Do you guys see this? Ooh, it's like a champagne top. Whoa! This is so cute. Oh my god, totally screwed up the lighting. It's like reflective. But do you see this? This is gorgeous. It has like this little keyhole cut out in the back too with the little button. I know the lighting is throwing it off. I'm gonna try it on later in the video. I'm gonna try on this whole thing because I think it's supposed to all go together. Anyways, that was the understanding I got. This is super cute. This is, okay, so it is a t-shirt with like the champagne color. It has a little pocket on the left breast. It is so cute and chic and like, is this no, it's not. I thought it was a crop top for a second, but this is like, I really love this and it feels like a good material. Also, the good thing is the inner lining isn't the same as the outer, so that means it's not gonna be like itchy or uncomfortable. You're not gonna be sweating your ass off or anything like that. Anyways, that's my theory. We'll see how it works, but so far so good. And the next and last piece, I don't know, it's black, I know that much. Ooh, velvet, girl. Oh my god. Girl, Amanda, you done so damn good. Okay, so we got black velvet pants. Oh my god. Look at the bottom of the legs on this. Do you see this? My hair, like it's all staticky. My hair is sticking to the bottom. So the bottom of the pants have like that little flare. I don't know if you could see it just because the lighting is kind of weird, but it pulls in a little bit right here, so it's kind of got a nod to bell bottoms. I'm gonna try this stuff on and I'll be right back. I changed my lip color because I thought it was more appropriate since this has more of like a holiday clothing vibe. Anyways, look at this gorgeous outfit. I didn't accessorize it yet. I'm gonna let you like see what it looks like on its own, and then I'm gonna throw some accessories on it and kind of step it up a notch, you know what I mean? Okay, This is super cute. I am genuinely just in a good mood about this. I was a little nervous because although I do trust the judgment of my friends, it's always a little bit different to have somebody else buy your clothes for you, but this is super cute and like really chic. I don't know why I was kind of nervous about it. I think I was more excited than nervous because this girl helps style fashion companies for a living, so why would I be nervous? But anyways, this is just like super chic and really comfortable. Like there's a little bit of room in each item. I still get a lot of stretch. And if you guys saw my Rue 21 try on haul where I got those velvet leggings and I was like, I can't fucking move in them, this is not the case in these. I still do feel like there's a little bit of just like the slightest restriction in the velvet pants, like right where my thighs touch, but it is like so comfortable and I can like move and do my thing that I don't feel restricted or uncomfortable. Not to mention the little bell bottom accent on these things is so fucking cute. I feel like I want to go to a disco. Let's put on some Kisco and just like you know? So I'm gonna style this with a little bit of accessories, kind of put my own little twist on it, and I will be right back. These accessories definitely are a little bit more, I don't know, it's like a combination of edgy and chic and classic. I don't know, it's very much me. So let me just first break down what I'm wearing and then I could talk about like why I chose them and all that kind of stuff. First off, let me just say, Amanda, you hit the nail on the head. This is just fucking cute and I'm like so here for the little bell bottom action. Oh, I'm in love, so you done good. Anyways, these shoes, red velvet wedges, originally from Torrid. I actually got these shopping Ashley Nell Tipton's closet. So I got these for 10 bucks. They're a little too big, but you know, whatever. Since I'm wearing red lips, I thought I'd kind of incorporate it into an accessory. So here we are with those shoes. Also, they just kind of, I don't know, they add more to the bell bottomness. Then, you know, top and the bottom are from Target. And then this little number I got at a vintage shop here in Clovis. Well, not here in Clovis because here is Fresno, Clovis is down that way. Anyways, so yeah, I picked this up at a vintage shop. I was kind of on the fence about it, but it's the cutest classic train carrier case that I had to. Plus, I feel like it goes really nice with this. It's kind of just, I don't know. I'm not going to justify it. I'm just going to say I like it. This collar that I have right here, I got from Domino Dollhouse eons ago. And then I thought that it'd be kind of cute to do a little messy bun with it just to kind of class it up a little bit. But here is the outfit, accessories and all. I am loving every little bit of it. I think that's it for talking about this outfit. So I'm going to sit down and talk to you guys and all that good stuff in a minute. That was a bit much. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope that you liked this video. I am absolutely in love with it. Oh my god, I feel so chic. You know what? These pants, the faces I make, I swear, sometimes, like, how did somebody propose to me? So like I said, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check out Amanda and Amanda, which will both be linked at the end of this video, in the cards, down in the description, all of those things. Go check them out and see how everybody styled one another. This is a little message to Amanda Marie. Thanks for hooking it up, girl. You did a perfect job. These items fit amazingly. They're super chic. I love the color combo and just the textural combo of sort of like this satiny crushed like champagne gold and then black velvet bell-bottom pants. Like, the fuck? Yes. Links to the items will be down in the description below, so if you wanted to get this top or these pants, go check the description and get yourself some. I'm gonna shut up now. Go watch their videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget you can follow me on all my social media links, which are down below as always. And until next time, if they ain't paying your bills, pay them no mind. Check you later.